Hello, my name is Simon Haxton. I am the Spirit Czar and part owner here at Portuguese Bend Distilling, located at 3rd and Promenade in downtown Long Beach. Welcome to our virtual tour of Taste of Downtown 2020. We are a grain to glass distillery, which means all production starts from raw ingredients and every step in making the spirits is done here on premise. Today we're going to be demonstrating one of our craft cocktails, a Mai Tai, which is one of 6 cocktails we have available for pickup or delivery from the distillery, including food. We'll be demonstrating it in a tiki mug. This mug is the Queen Mary mug, which is reminiscent of the smokestacks here at the Queen Mary. This is also available in our shop, bottle shop, with our vodkas, our gins, and our rums. I would like to introduce Brianna Bjornsson, one of our distillery staff and bartender extraordinaire, who is going to demonstrate the Mai Tai.
Hi, I'm going to share with you a little bit about our rums. Our rums are made with 100% Baker's grade molasses and raw brown sugar. Our spice rum is a collection of whole spices, of cinnamon, vanilla, allspice, and even orange citrus. Our white rum is a colonial style and has some flavors of raw sugarcane juice, but also has a dry finish, which allows it to blend nicely in cocktails like the Mai Tai. So, our Mai Tai is made with 1.5 ounces of white rum, 1/2 ounce of spice rum, 3/4 ounces of orgeat. We use a creamy almond orgeat. 1/2 ounce of orange curacao or orange liqueur, and 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. You add ice to your tin and give it a shake. About 5 to 10 seconds, good. We're going to strain it into our specialty tiki mug.